Hello. Welcome back to the most least frequently uploaded. Anyway, welcome back to another video. It's been a while, but this is going to be a good one. This is going to be a good one. Okay. I might just get straight into it, will I? I'm as excited as nobody else is. Let's go for it. This is a big change. This is a huge change for me, and I am like ridiculously excited. I'll tell you how excited I was about this camera. I started watching videos about it on YouTube in different languages that I don't even speak. Basically any other language other than English. Anyway, I'm going to get it unboxed. I'm going to show you what's inside. Paper. Oh, what's this? Batteries. Ooh! Literature. Oh! Literature. Words and pictures. That's beautiful. Oh! Look at this! What? Just in case you weren't aware of what camera I was using, I thought I'd wear it on my face. That is very nice touch. What else is in here? Please wash the mask before you put it on. Just joking, didn't say that. Sorry. Pencils? Okay. Pencils. They tell you how to make a paper. Let's not worry about all that nonsense. They tell you how to make a paper camera or something. Anyway. Oh, guys. It's a letter. Oh, I don't like letters with windows. It always makes me feel like I owe money. Okay. Oh, I am telling you right now, this is extremely exciting. I'm just going to get into it. Just stop waffling, Dave. Just get into it. Nobody cares. Fire it in. Fire it open. Get on with it. Why are you making it then if nobody cares? Just. Why not? Table. Come on now. Oh, is it these? It's those. I'm actually kind of sweating. I've never actually opened anything so carefully in my life. There's a box inside a box. Correct. Oh no, that's nice. That is nice. That is nice. I should come around the front so that I can see it too. Oh, that's what I call an experience. Let me come around here. Sorry, but I've never used this tripod. How the fuck do you? Oh, there we go. Oh no, stick it there, Dave. Stick it there. Oh Jesus. Oh, There we go. That's the one, Dave. Lock it in place. Lock it in place. Oh my good God. I can't do this backwards. Where the feck is the fecking dial that locks this stupid thing? Is that it? Oh, this is it here. Oh God, sorry about that. Some tripod issues there. Some tripod issues. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, look. Little drawers. Little drawers. What's in this drawer? A book. Let's put the book back. What's in this one? That's not a drawer. What's in this one? Little bags. That's a ring of some sort. Battery charger. Battery charger, yeah, okay. Cables, okay. Cable, a battery. Take the battery out. Leave all that rest in. Put all that in. Let's just get on with it, boy. Ah, fuck it. Let's take this away. Let's take this away. Let me go back down here. Let me come back right here. Oh, and now I'm all low. Fucking hell. Jeez, Dave. Out of practice. Out of practice. This is why people upload regularly. This is why they upload regularly, Dave. So they're not arsing around. There we go. Now. Oh, stupid phone. That's very unprofessional. Very unprofessional. Very unprofessional. Sorry. I'm slightly all over the place. Right, here we go. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious me. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Oh my gosh. I'm going to let you into a secret. It's not really much of a secret. I've only held a Leica once or twice in my life. Once was at a photography show, and another time I spotted a tourist with one, and I said, "Oh, wow, is that a Leica?" And they went, "Yeah." And I went, "Can I touch it?" I didn't say, "Can I touch it?" I said, "Oh, it's really cool." And they went, "You want to try it?" And I went, "Yeah." And then I kind of didn't really know what I was doing. It was a few years ago. So you'll see that it comes with a little hole, because that's where you put the battery. Let's stick the battery in. Hopefully it comes charged. I'm not going to make this super long, but what I will say is that I know I haven't uploaded in quite a while. It's several reasons. The pandemic was not great for photography. I know I had said I was going to come back at some point showing off images with the X100V, which I still have and I still love, and I use it pretty much every day. So maybe at some point I'll do a little, because this in a way does replace the X100V, but maybe at some point I'll do a little best of my favorite X100 images before I say goodbye to it, because part of the process of getting this was to trade in that and a few other bits and pieces, which I now have to do. So, oh, that is nice. That is really cool, that little, the way that's done. Lens cap. Does that just pull off? Oh, it just kind of like, oh, that's lovely. Oh, it just kind of like slightly slides off. Let's stick it on. Like it. Oh, look at the little animation. Like, oh, look at that. Oh, that is very fancy. Look at that. I don't know if you can see this. Oh, it's showing me what language I want. English. It's the one I speak. Let's just not worry about all this now. Let's just... sure, we might as well. Date. What is today's date? Wednesday the 8th. Day, month, year. How do you get down? Oh, there. 8th. The little clicky thing is really nice. Month, September, year 21. Okay. We're live. Oh, look at that! Look at that screen. Oh my gosh, the LCD screen is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, the aperture dial is lovely. Oh, it's reversed from the Fuji. Oh, it's got this lovely little slider that slides. I'm not going to go over all the stats because like this camera is not exactly new. It's not like when I did the X Pro 2 unboxing or the X Pro 3 unboxing or the X100V or whatever, because they were brand new at the time. This is old. There's a million videos and I've pretty much watched them all on the Leica Q2. But I just wanted to show you this. This is a transition. So my big desire is to shoot everything with this camera. Just this one camera to do everything. And I think it's possible. I'm pretty sure it's possible. And after doing a lot of research, and I'm going to give it a go. So this channel, while it hasn't been updated very frequently, the plan is, I keep looking there, sorry, because there's a screen there, I should look here. But the plan is to update this channel more regularly. And I think now that I have this camera, I'll hopefully be able to bring you some Leica Q2 content. And the good news is I have a wedding tomorrow and I'm going to bring this with me. And my plan is to shoot the majority of the day on this camera, if not all, the whole entire day on this camera. And then have a bit of a break on Friday and another wedding on Saturday. So it's going to be put through its paces pretty quickly. And from that, I should have some decent Leica Q2 content to bring you. Let me just say that the X100 has been brilliant. I do love the X100. I really do love the X100, but this is a combination of a huge amount of like thought process based on equipment I want to use for weddings, as well as commercial work that I've started doing in the last year. And I think that this is the step that I need to take. So with that, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to end this video because it's kind of just a very simple unboxing, but I will say that I am super excited. It is utterly beautiful. Let me just put my eye to the viewfinder and we'll see what it's like because I haven't time to look into it. Let's see. Holy moly. Oh my gosh. No SD card inserted. Let's fix that right now. Where's the little SD card go? In here. Oh, that's a nice little flippity floppity. Let's go with this one. Click. How do you put the SD card in? Oh, there you do that. Okay, let's try that again. I honestly can't. The EVF is utterly beautiful. I mean, fast autofocus. Maybe I should make this the first picture that I've ever taken. What'll I focus on? Oh, it's doing like kind of auto area focus. So it's just focusing on the front of the camera here. Let's just take that. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Okay, so I need to do a lot of playing around today to kind of get the hold of this and get used to it. But I love it. Oh my gosh, it is so gorgeous. It's quite heavy. Quite heavy in a way compared to the old X100. Oh my god. It must be half the weight. Yeah. It says at least half the weight of the X100. There's the two of them side by side. Yeah, pretty light. Pretty light. Oh, a lot heavier. But it feels good. I can't get over the EVF, it's so clear. But I don't know if the resolution is that much different than on the Fuji, if I'm honest with you. It's so quiet. Let's do a little. Yeah, it's not like the EVF on the... It's not exactly like the EVF on the X100 is anything to be sniffed at, really. It's just that little bit higher resolution, I'd say. Just a touch. Just looks ever so slightly sharper. But the one thing that I always find about the X100 and other Fuji cameras, but specifically the X100 and the X Pro cameras, is that when I look through the viewfinder, I've taken so many pictures off center. I don't know if any other Fuji users have experienced this, but I take a lot of pictures off center because when I put my eye to the camera, it always seems that I'm not looking. It's the eye cup or whatever is kind of blocking the right hand side of the EVF on the inside of the, in the EVF. So my focus point tends to be over one notch from the center to the left. And I have to really be concentrated to kind of say, okay, that's the center. I can't really see it all. I'd have to put I have to really have my glasses off and have my eye pressed up against it. This, I can see the full rectangle of the EVF, no problem. So it's really obvious where the center is. There you are, that's one benefit. This is the most useless unboxing ever. I do apologise, but sure, hey ho, here we are. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.